good afternoon everybody, and welcome to the final presentation this afternoon on the Citroen Car Club stand here at the NEC, demonstrating the importance of the Citroen Traction Avant and also bringing you up to date with the work that's been carried out on this particular car in the course of the weekend so far. Now, the Traction Avant is an exceedingly important design. This was the first volume production front-wheel drive car. Other manufacturers, notably BSA, Alvis and Ford, have manufactured front-wheel drive in small numbers, but when Citroen introduced this in 1934, it was the first volume production car and was seen as truly revolutionary. Apart from being front-wheel drive, it also had a unitary body construction, no chassis, so that you step down into the car when getting into it, not stepping up. Although the car still has separate wings and headlamps, as of the style of the time, there are no running boards anymore. We tend to think, compared with the later VS, that this was more conventional. In the standards of the time, it wasn't. It introduced, amongst other things, lack of pinion steering, torsion bar suspension, all-round, independent, as well as the front-wheel drive. Now, we've talked that it is front-wheel drive. The engine is behind the gearbox, so it's a four-cylinder engine placed behind the gearbox, which, as you see, projects well forward. The reason it is done this way is that there was no possibility of doing a transverse engine in those days. The engines are simply too bulky. Putting the engine ahead of the gearbox likewise would have been impossible in practice because it would have been too heavy. So this arrangement was settled on by the design team, and it lasted right through the production until 1957 when the car was replaced by the DS, which in practice ended up with exactly the same layout using later mechanical components. Now, moving to this particular car and what has been done to it, this is a 1948 example, so post-war. The engine has been previously rebuilt, the car has been restored in the past, although further restoration is now needed, and this has been reinstalled over the course of this show by Barry Annals and his son Peter Annals. They are about to start this up to demonstrate that it should work. So it will be interesting to see whether in fact it does. We're hoping that it will. I believe I saw it running briefly earlier on. Right, Barry, Peter, are you ready hopefully to start up, see what happens?
Yeah.
And it's running, look at that. Now obviously it can't be run for any length of time because there's no cooling system. At the moment it's running dry, but that is running sweet as a nut, tribute to its rebuilder James Geddes. So we have, based on that, we have every confidence that this car, when completed tomorrow, will be ready to drive off the stand. Well done lads, carry on as you were. So that's up to date as to where we are on the Citroen Car Club stand here at the NEC today. We hope to see some of you possibly tomorrow for the last day of the show. Thank you for your attention.